Hi guys, today on Taste Test we are trying Polish foods because you guys asked for it. What is your experience with Polish foods?
I will say I've not ever gone to Poland
Me either.
before.
My closest experience with Poland has maybe been some pierogies, but beyond that, I haven't really tried much Polish food.
Yeah, same. There's gotta be more.
I'm sure there's
Yeah.
more, and I'm excited to try.
Great.
But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe by clicking down here.
Smells vinegary.
Smells soupy.
Yeah, definitely soup. Ooh, it's warm.
All right, so, oh boy. There's a pronunciation key, don't worry. Zupa ogórkowa.
Zupa agórkowa.
Traditional Polish dill pickle soup.
Made with Polish-style brine-cured pickles.
However, some versions use kosher dill pickles in place of the Polish variety.
Primary ingredients include broth, pickles, and potatoes. Additional ingredients can include celery, carrot, cream, garlic, egg yolk, dill, salt, and pepper.
That sounds awesome. I think I'm gonna really like this.
Okay, I'm gonna try to be an open-minded person. Wow.
I like it. It's interesting to have the pickle flavor be warm.
I'm on board.
It kind of has that like borscht vibe, like kind of like a little sour, but like in a good way.
This is very interesting. It almost reminds me of a clam chowder with some pickle juice that
Thrown
got
in.
like leaked in.
I wouldn't have thought to put pickles in a soup, but it's actually kind of good.
I love the potato. I'm into it.
I'm gonna take another bite.
What do you think is happening here? This part's not on the card.
And that is just a Polish fruit juice.
Cheers.
Yeah.
I like that.
Tart.
Yeah, that's perfect. Just need some
I feel like
vodka.
I'm getting a lot of antioxidants so far.
This is like a giant meatball-ish.
I'm gonna go
Or
stuffed cabbage.
Yeah, that's right.
You look gorgeous.
What do you think this is?
Meatloaf.
You think it's meatloaf?
Yeah.
It is gałązki, the Polish name for stuffed cabbage.
Can you say it again?
Gałązki.
Gołąbki is the Polish name for stuffed cabbage made from boiled cabbage leaves that are filled with minced pork or beef, chopped onions, and rice or barley.
The name comes from the Polish word meaning pigeon, referring to its shape.
It sounds like they serve this during Christmas and weddings.
It's definitely meatloaf-esque, just with like wrapped in cabbage.
I didn't grow up in a house that ate a lot of cabbage, but I'm on board.
It feels very comforting, very homey.
Totally.
It is literally like American meatloaf
Definitely.
wrapped in cabbage.
Yes.
I like this. I think
Yeah.
I could have this like once a week for Din Din.
We got a meat-based thing, maybe like a goulash.
This looks good.
Looks like sausage and potato
Yeah,
mash.
this feels like super homey.
Oh, the sauerkraut's good, if that's what it is.
Let's find out. I like this. It's got a nice balance,
I think it's really tasty.
right? This is called Bigos, often translated into English as hunter's stew.
Is a popular Polish dish consisting of various chopped meats stewed with sauerkraut and shredded fresh cabbage.
It used to be served traditionally during hunting season, September through May, or until the family's supply of barrel-cured sauerkraut ran out.
Well, first of all, there's a special place in my heart for sauerkraut because I love anything related to gut health.
This is actually really, really nice. I like that this is on a bed of mashed potatoes.
It's really good. This is like the
This is good.
perfect dinner. They look like little pillows of spinach.
Yes, I was gonna say clouds of joy.
That's what they look like.
Oh, dumplings!
Is that what they are?
That'd be my guess.
Okay.
Or like a gnocchi kind of situation.
Okay, you are very close.
This is called kopita.
They're a kind of potato dumpling, which is similar to an Italian gnocchi, made with boiled potatoes and flour. It's usually cooked in salted water.
Can be made savory, baked with cheese, fried bacon, fried onion, or a variety of sauces, or sweet with melted butter, sugar, cinnamon, or sweetened quark.
What's that?
It's a type of cheese.
This kind of just looks like the
We're just doing
very
dumpling.
the basic. Yeah.
I really love this. I kind of want all the accoutrement that you were talking about.
Would be better with bacon.
Like I can see why there's so many different ways that they top it because it's so versatile.
I mean, these can be like your
really like
your
these.
thickeners in your soup.
It's like the dumpling and chicken and dumpling soup.
Exactly. These are a perfect sub. I think I might be stealing this recipe from Poland. It looks like funnel cake.
Yes,
almost,
it does.
Right? Well, this is called, and help me pronounce this, Harroshiki.
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 Harroshiki. Yeah, non-yeasted, bow tie shaped pastries, fried, dusted with sugar, and drizzled with honey.
Sometimes called crullers or angel wings.
Typically served on special occasions, weddings, holidays, feast days, because these light as air fried delights are tricky to make. Oh, they are super light. Whoa.
This is good.
They just literally crumble.
Yeah.
Crumble right in your mouth.
I would love these with like a little cinnamon. Like, these are fun.
It's amazing.
The shape is very different from funnel cake, but the flavor is super similar.
I'm gonna have to seek them out next time because this is,
I'd eat this
these
for
are
days.
great.
Yeah.
So good.
I feel like because they're so light, basically fat-free.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for suggesting this because it was so fun. Let us know in the comments down below if there's anything else you want us to try, and we will try it. I promise.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.